Narito ang daan papuntang Mount Ulis Viewpoint. Wow, Mount Ulis. Matarik, matarik. Hello Digital World. Andito na naman tayo dito sa Mount Ulis. Hindi, Paway. Sayangan actually. Pero papunta tayo sa Mount Ulis. At ito po ang kanilang entrance. Yan, papasokin mo yung in between ng house na ito. Dito ka magbabayad. Ito ang parking ng Mount Ulis. Yan, ito yung mga turista. Yan yung mga kunwari turista. Yan. Medyo foggy ngayon. Ito yung mga vegetable garden. Yan. Wow, vegetable garden. Ito yung paakyat na footpath. Ito yung mga magagandang flowers. Yun, no? Yun, no? Then, parang nakalutang ka lang sa alapap. Wow, alapap. Silang kuhan dito, taniman ng strawberry. Wow, strawberry. Ito, dadaanan mo lang yung bulaklak nila. Wow, bulaklak. Ayan, andito na tayo sa Mount Ulis. Wow, Mount Ulis. Walang view ngayon. Foggy, foggy. We're now standing at Mount Ulis Summit, 7,900 feet above sea level. Okay. Ayan. Ito na yung summit ng Mount Ulis. Yan. So, ito na yung overlooking La Union, Ilocos, sana, kung wala yung clouds. Okay. Sa baba lang yung may village yan. Yan, may mga village yan sa baba. Mataas-taas na rin yan. Nakakamatay na rin kapag mahulog ka dyan. And then, ito yung clouds. Wow, clouds! Yan, may mga taniman din ng repolyo doon. Wow, repolyo! Nice view, nice view. Okay. Kahit na taga dito tayo, pero na-appreciate din natin yung beauty of this mountain. Ayan, after a minute, foggy na naman. Hindi nakita yung village doon sa baba.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts run.
Ito naman yung another angle dito sa Mount Ulis still. Yan o, ang ganda ng clouds. Wow, clouds ulit. Hindi mga bahay doon. Feeling mo talaga dito parang wala ka sa Pilipinas eh. You know? Maganda rin yung mga bahay doon. Wow, bahay! That's it. Nahanap natin yung dito cliff. Rapiling. Doon yata.
Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be. Two hearts running wild.
Sa isang iglap lang nawala na yung view natin. Puro clouds na rin. Wala na yung view ng village sa baba. As in clouds na. Yan. But still napakagandang view. And overall yung lamig, champion ng lamig dito.
Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. Two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be. Two hearts running wild.
Goodbye, Mount Ulis. Goodbye, Pawai. Sayangan, Atok Benguet.